New to the hair system business? This video is your quick start guide to understanding and drawing men's hair system base types, the most common base types we offer, perfect for wholesale clients who want to guide their customers with confidence. We'll take you through 7 popular base constructions step by step, using simple, hand-drawn visuals to show how each one is structured. Full clear skin and full lace, French or Swiss. Front lace plus clear skin, back. Front lace plus skin at back and sides. Clear skin perimeter plus lace center. Front lace plus skin perimeter plus lace center. Front lace plus gauze, skin perimeter plus monocenter plus 4 holes. Scallop front plus gauze, skin perimeter plus monocenter plus 4 holes. Watch closely as we draw each base for easy understanding. Perfect for salons, wholesalers, and anyone offering customized systems. This is the perfect intro for wholesale customers who want to learn how to communicate with clients and place accurate orders with us. Contact us for samples or wholesale pricing